Group break number 10,745. Let's roll it.
Oh, baby! Big ol' hit. This ball is crushed. Oh, come on. The babe. 1 of 1. Wow. Derek Jeter, 1 of 1 auto. Dual logo man, Jason Tatum, Diamond Mitchell. Oh, that's filthy.
All right, here we go. 10-745. But before we start the break, we got a serial number to do. So here we go. We got players in the game on 3. 1. We got 2. And we got 3. We got TGC down to a Ranger. Put you over here so we can get rid of all those numbers that are annoying. And here's your numbers on 3. 1, 2, and 3. We got 0 down to 8. 0 down to 8. All right, let's see that team list. Boop, boop. So here we go. Here's all the teams that you bought, but you know, you bought them, so you already know who you bought. But let's see those serial numbers. So TGC, I got you for 0. EKB, you got 5. Bonanza, 6. Okay, Bo, you got the 1 spot. TGC, you got 4 and 7. A Cranger, you got 3. Bonanza, you got 9. And a Cranger, you got 2 and 8. So let's head over to the break area. Joe, yeah, man, that is a throwback and a half right there. You better bring your old school knowledge of songs with you. It is absolutely a job requirement. All right, F1, you go wait over there because you may be, well, once closers are gone, you are next. F1, hang out over there. It is tier 1 o'clock. The Vega bus is incoming. Like that dice game where you have to, Oh, you're stuck in there, box. All right. All right, guys. What do you want to do, left or right? The whole thing? Okay, I can do that. Ooh, that's right. I need my decoy. I need my decoy. All right. Up? Do we have a nope? Bonus here. For the New York Yankees, we got Giancarlo Stanton. Yankees was Casino Nick. For the Dodgers, we got Grove. I'm not familiar with him. Michael Grove. LA Dodgers, Allen. And going old school, Mr. Mike Piazza for the Mets. Bonanza. I'm putting him up straight to the stand, box 1, which you guys know I do not give away my stands lightly, but it's Mike Piazza. How can I not? How can I not put the... Oh... I'm a big fan of those 80s, 90s guys. That's what I grew up with, so it always has a special place in my heart. Oh. You're a bit of a brick. Ah, extra hit. Extra hit style. All right. Oh, that's definitely Walker Bueller for the Dodgers. Look at that one. Allen. Two color on that baby. Allen. Next up, Abrams for the Nationals. Little bat piece action. Just Pete. JT Realmuto for the Philadelphia Phillies. Gillies. And Groshans for the Marlins. Marlins, Miami. We're going to Miami. Van Pelt, that is to 299. Another bonus, but it might be a bonus auto on this one. Garrett Cole for the Yankees. So 400. Yeah, Allen, man. Those patches, you just caught up on that one? Damn, buddy. Ramirez for the Cubbies. Serial number, so that's the 8 spot right there. A Granger for the Cubbies. And, oh man, I'm not familiar with this name. Bill Morosky for the Pirates. Pittsburgh Pirates is serial number, so that's 099. 9 spot going to Bonanza. And Grissom for the Braves. Atlanta Braves is Surf to 299. You guys do that. You guys go ahead and place some orders. If you just got here too, there is some free group break credit. It is added to your account. All you gotta do is get to checkout. It will automatically apply. Little trick or treat action just for you guys. This one's a brick again. Like every time it's one of these like super thick packs, I'm always just like so hopeful. Like bat knob, bat barrel, like we haven't hit one yet, and I want the first one to be me. I think it's a double relic. How about, well, legend, hell yeah. Derek Jeter for the Yankees. Casino Nick, I agree. I agree with that assessment. He is a legend. And a Rosarena for Tampa Bay. Serial number, so 390. You see it right there. TGC on the Tampa Bay Rays. Rangers are due, he says. Well, first off, for the Cubbies, I got Mastro Bueno. I'm guessing on that name. Mastro Bueno. Buoni. Buoni. I'm going to call him Mastro for the Cubbies. Serial number. So you see right there, 266. 6th spot is Bonanza. And, 2 of 10 for Oakland Langoliers. Who had Oakland Dubs 35? That's worthy of a stand. Langoliers to 10. Man, we're only a third of the way through this. Third of the way, and I've given away 2 stands? That's a lot for me. Ba-doop-ba-doop. All right, for Boston, Trevor Story. Boston Red Sox and Navy Sailor. Next up, Jeter Downs? Right. Jeter Downs for the Washington Nationals to 299. That dude's got a big old auto. Jeter Downs, Washington Nationals, Just Pete. And how How about a little Dansby Swanson to 25 for the Cubbies? Serial number, you can see it right there. It's a 1. Okay, Bo. That'll do. That will do. Like a bonus relic, I'm guessing. Well, those are some sexy patches. Nestor Cortez for the Yankees. Casino Nick, that's to 25. Man, we got the patchy case. Got the mem case. Bat knob. It's going to happen. Tom Glavine for the Atlanta Braves to 400. Surf. Tiani for the Reds. Cincinnati Reds, ref 1. Yep, Cincinnati Reds. And it goes this way. Andre Dawson for the Expos, which is the Washington Nationals. Just Pete. That is 66 of, oh no, goes this way. 68 of 99. That's a nice one. That's old school. All right, here we go. Morel for the Cubbies. That's serial. 130. Yep, Cubbies are serial. 130. 0 TGC. Little pinstripe action for you. Gonzalez for the Guardians, I believe. Cleveland Guardians. Oscar Gonzalez to 25. Cleveland Guardians is serial? Right. Yep, Cleveland Guardians. Serial. So that is 11 going to the 1 spot. Okay, Bo. Okay, doing some work now. You woke up, buddy. And how about a little, oh man, Pasquinto for the Kansas City Royals. Also serial number 153. 3 spot going to a Granger. Come on, Case. Massive 1-1. I need it. I need it. Feel my bones. Oh, yeah. Here's the guy who threw packs all over the ground and then left me. Mr. Falco. Will Myers for the Padres. San Diego Padres. A Granger. Cone for the Yankees. I'm going with a David. David Cone. New York Mets, Bonanza. Tier 1 talent. And, hey, Moreno for the, not Atlanta. Arizona Diamondbacks, the other A team. Okay, Bo. Okay, you doing some work here, buddy. You decided that this was now your break. The intern picks it up. Oh. Falco, is all your filming equipment still here? I wonder what the street value is on some of those things. I don't know what it is, but we're going to find out. Oh, Who is a redemption in this? Okay. Cabrera for Detroit. I don't think we've seen a redemption yet. Detroit is serial number, so that's 13. 3 spot is a Granger. All right, focus up, Draz. Next up, Wallner for the Oh, no, Twins. Yep, Minnesota Twins, ref 1 to 299. Man, who is a ripping autograph relic of Aaron Judge for the Yankees? Casino Nick. That's a biggie. That's a biggie. Casino Nick doing work. Man, I feel weird putting the redemption up on the stand, though. I can't do it. Casino Nick, when that comes in, send us a picture. I want to see what it looks like. Yeah, Yankees are doing work. I feel like we've been really all over the board, though. Jimenez for Chicago White Sox. Serial. I agree, Alan. Let's get Nobby. I want to do it. Those out of 10, I believe. Or we're last. I'm all for it. I'm all for it. Jimenez was Chicago 0. 0 is TGC. DL Hall, right? DL Hall for the Orioles. Gillies to 299. Rookie auto. And, oh man, I'm sorry. I don't know you, Bert. Bert Blevlin for the Twins. Twins are weirdly like, Twins are not one you expect, but they are like going off. I think this is like their third or fourth auto for the Twinnies. And it's 149 out of 149. You got the eBay 101 action going. All right. Box 11? Sounds right. I think it's a 12-box case. All right. Blake Snell for the Padres. Padres, a Granger. Hall for the Philadelphia Phillies. Derek Hall. Philadelphia was Gillies. Is this a Gillies personal box? And Joey Votto to 99 for Cincinnati, ref 1. There you go, Marty. Tier 1 talent. All right. I don't know. Personally, it feels a little light to me. Let's find out. I don't know if we're knobbing today. Man, we are so overdue for a knob or a cut or a barrel. It's sickening how overdue we are for this. Oh, we paid extra for the good cases. That's not a thing. Lucas, it's not a thing. Don't go off on your conspiracies. New York, Severino for the Yankees. Casino Nick. Man, Yankees. Yankee. Garrett for the Washington Nationals. Just Pete 23. And last hitty of the break. Should I slow roll it? It's a guy with a baseball bat. It is. Hey, another one of these metallics for the New York Mets. Mark Ventos. New York Mets Bonanza. Man, we've hit a lot of the metal autos out of this one. Normally, like, we've only seen 1 or 2. I think we got 1, 2, I think 4 total. So we doubled up on them. Guys, group break number 10,745. There you have it.